Hello all, this is Damini, co-founder of VMake Scholars. Welcome to the 10th episode of our web series Loanflix Season 2. So, for those of you who are new to this channel, let me tell you, Loanflix is a web series which covers each and every detail of an abroad education loan. Right from the eligibility to the process, disbursement, loan repayment, everything. And Loanflix is an initiative of VMake Scholars. VMake Scholars is an organization which is funded and supported by the Ministry of IT, Government of India. And our sole purpose is to help you secure funds for your abroad studies. And let me make it very clear, all the services of VMake Scholars are completely free of cost. So today's video is only for Canada aspirants. A significant number of Indian students choose to study in Canada, making it the third preferred destination after US and Australia. And most of these students opt to study in Canadian colleges rather than universities for two reasons. Number one, low cost, and secondly, if they are not able to get into a university. So at the post-graduation level, most of these colleges offer PG diploma or PG certificate instead of a master's degree. And when it comes to getting an education loan for such programs, most of the students hear a no from the banks. See, not all banks can offer loan for such PG diploma and PG certificate programs, but there are still plenty of them who can offer loans as per their policies for such programs. But it is just that the branch managers are not aware of it. Yeah, so in this video we will be discussing the secured and unsecured loan options for PG diploma and PG certificate programs, and in the end I will be covering a special information on Canada 2 years degree scam, which many of you might become a victim of. So before we begin, if you appreciate the effort we put in to bring this information out to you, then please subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon to never miss an update. Let's start. Let us first talk about the unsecured loans for these PG level programs. So you will be eligible for an unsecured loan of up to 20 lakhs for your PG diploma or PG certificate, provided it is offered by a decent Canadian college, for example Lambton College or Conestoga College or Durham College, or of course Canadian universities, and you have a good financial co-applicant. Yeah. But please remember that government banks can offer only up to 7.5 lakhs as an unsecured loan. If you need an amount higher than that, we have to go for private banks or NBFCs. So if you're looking for an education loan for your PG diploma or PG certificate, you can definitely apply via VMake Scholars using the link which is mentioned above. Please note that all the services of VMake Scholars are completely free of cost, and VMake Scholars is an initiative which is funded and supported by the Ministry of IT, Government of India, which means we can serve students from all parts of the country. So when we are talking about secured loans for a PG diploma program, please remember that secured loans should be taken from a government bank as they offer a lower interest rate. Now, for those of you who don't know, secured loans are the loans which are given by mortgaging a collateral security, and the primarily accepted collateral securities are house, flat, non-agricultural land, fixed deposit, LIC policies and government bonds. Yeah. Most of the government banks can give a secured loan for a PG diploma program, but it is just that the branch staff is generally not aware of it. So if you go to a branch and apply for a PG diploma education loan and they deny it, and then you come to VMake Scholars, and of course we are going to call the branch manager and tell them that PG diplomas are acceptable and it is written in their circular, whichever bank circular, they are definitely going to take it on their ego. Yeah, so you shouldn't do that. Instead of going to the branch first and then coming to VMake Scholars, you should start your loan process via VMake Scholars itself, so that upfront, when you apply to us, when you are going to go to the branch, we will give them a call upfront and tell them that a student is going to come for a PG diploma loan, so that they are aware of it, and we will tell them about their circulars also in advance, so that it doesn't become an ego thing later. Now, when it comes to the secured loan for PG certificate program, there are very few government banks who can offer you loans for PG certificate. So if you keep trying for a loan for PG certificate on your own, there are 90% chances that you'll be declined the loan. And many times, branch managers take up the application, they do the entire process and send it to the loan processing cell, and there it gets rejected because it is not there in the policy. So you eventually waste a lot of time, at the last minute. So it is very important for you to know that which all banks can offer loans for PG certificate program, so that you don't keep roaming to the multiple options. Yeah, so for that you would need to speak to your VMake Scholars financial officer, because they will first analyze whether your college or university is there in the bank eligible list, and whether the bank can offer you PG certificate program loan, and only then they will give you the shortlisted options, and then you can make the final choice of which bank you want to go ahead with. Yeah, so if you haven't been assigned a financial officer yet, you can request a callback using the link mentioned above. And one more thing, majority of the PG certificate applications which we receive at VMake Scholars are for the Ontario Postgraduate Certificate. So please note that VMake Scholars can help you with loans for this program. Though it is not related to loan, but I believe the information which I'm going to share now is very important for the people who are watching this video today. So Canada offers you a 3 years work permit if you study there for 2 years. It is called as 2+3. But if you study there for 1 year, you get only 1 year work permit. And most of the programs which we spoke about in this video, that is PG Diploma and PG Certificate, are generally for 1 year course duration. So if you study there for 1 year and then after that you get only 1 year work permit, it's generally not a very good return on investment. With that, 1 year earning, you won't be able to recover the cost also what you have spent on the education, right? So that's why most of the students, they want to go for a 2 years program and then get a 3 year work visa. But because consultancies, they mostly get their commission and everything on these 1 year programs, they push students to go for these 1 year programs. Yeah, so what they promise is, after you go there for this 1 year program, once that course is over, we'll help you get admission to another 1 year program, which is kind of risky. Many times consultancies stop responding, and many times students are not able to get that second admission, so it makes the whole decision very risky. So what I would suggest you is, you should upfront apply for a 2 years program if possible. Yeah, so that's one thing. Secondly, most of these students come to us asking for a loan for 2 years, even though their offer letter says 1 year, because they're assuming that after this 1 year of course, they're going to get admission into another 1 year course. Please note that if your offer letter says 1 year, we will be able to get you loan approved only for 1 year of course. But later, if luckily you are able to get admission to another 1 year program, we'll be happy to help you extending that loan based on your profile's eligibility without you even coming back to India. That's it for this video. We put a lot of effort in decoding these bank circulars and bringing this information out to you. So if you appreciate our effort, then please subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon to never miss an update. Please do like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues who might be in need of funds for their abroad studies. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye-bye for now.
Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss any updates from us.